The RSS chief, in a strong message to his party cadre, has said that the organization must not cross its limits and stay away from personality-driven political campaigns. At a meeting in Bangalore, the RSS chief, in the presence of BJP National President Rajnath Singh, said, and I quote, "We are not in politics. It is not our job to chant Narendra Modi's name. We strive towards our own goals." But the contradiction was evident, while on one hand, Mohan Bhagwat distanced himself from the political process. He did add that the question is not who should form the next government. The bigger question is who should not form the next government. Pratibha Raman is joining us from Bangalore with more. Pratibha, it's very significant what Mohan Bhagwat has told the RSS workers in that three-day meeting in Bangalore, considering Narendra Modi's campaign has been driven around his persona. In a way, it seems the RSS chief is telling the cadre not to follow this personality-driven campaign blindly and just work to ensure that the party wins.
Well, Ruchika, one must really observe that even when I did speak with Mr. Ramadhav just a day ago, the RSS has always maintained a stand to remain detached from different party functionaries, including BJP. In fact, they did mention the fact that they only provide ideological support. So it's only these ideological principles that basically guide the different party functionaries, and they don't really rule or impose any kind of order or authority over any of these party functionaries. So this is the kind of impression that they've given. In the meantime, they also do not want any of the party pracharaks to get embroiled in the different politics or the internal day-to-day activities of the BJP. So with that in mind, they want to keep a distance from the BJP. Already there's a lot of infighting going on in the BJP, so they do not want to get involved in the day-to-day activities. But then with the upcoming elections, they want to just give moral guidelines and moral support to different parties, especially the BJP as of now, and especially with the Congress party also always maintaining the fact that it is a fight between the Congress as well as the RSS and not Congress and the BJP. The RSS want to give a clear stand that they are in no way involved with the BJP with the upcoming elections, but they are there only to provide moral guidelines and support.